the University of Mindanao campus really shows and proves everyone and every campus here in Mindanao rather that this university is both amazing in learning and the structures from buildings and the sceneries. It's so amazing.
It gives me an insight on should I enroll in this school or not.
It was so fun po. I'm excited na dako kayo ang field.
It was so beautiful and I was happy because I'm here. I'm so very proud of you.
UM is really a good school and it upholds the core values and implemented.
I was amazed by how big the campus is.
Lingaw siya nga kapoy.
Nindot po kayo ang school, dili siya hugaw.
Happy ko kay dahil sa ilang environment.
Hindi siya para sa ubang like schools na prepare siya. Like daghang suryan ang po.
It was nice and so big.
Hi mga ga! So, I'm here in UM Main. Dako kayo lang library diri and nag-enjoy din ko. Choose UM.
Amazing.
Awesome, beautiful.
Clean, cute, the best.
Excellence.
Great.